iron ore powder generally refers to the name of iron ore after grinding after washing magnetic separation, but also refers to high-grade ore directly crushed to a certain fineness. Iron ore powder ball pressing machine is a type of equipment divided according to the type of materials, mainly used to press difficult-to-form powder materials. Its main iron ore powder materials, electrolytic stone materials. For processing, pressing effect is very obvious. The effect is good and can obtain higher economic benefits. It is characterized by high forming pressure, adjustable revolution of the main engine, and screw feeding device. Widely used in aluminium ash, iron powder, coke coal, aluminium powder and other powder, waste slag, pressing molding work. Plant production of iron ore powder ball press. Production line cost saving. Simple operation, clear structure, easy to maintain.